Did you know how to buy a home in Canada? Did you know the steps to go through to buy a home in Canada? After watching this video, you will have a clear idea on how.
Let's start. First step of buying a home in Canada. Apply for a mortgage pre-approval letter. For this step, you will need to contact the bank, lenders, or mortgage brokers. They will be based on your family income and expenditure, and your credit history. Give you a loan amount. Based on this amount plus your current funds, you will know what kind of house you can buy. And you will also know the amount you need to repay the mortgage every month in the future, so you can make a good family financial planning. Knowing these critical financial details helps you to realistically look in the price of housing that you can afford. Buying a home that is out of your price range can have a negative effect on your quality of life.
A finished basement is a must. With a swimming pool, even better. Oh, would that be a bite off more than I can chew? Can I afford it?
Step 2 of buying a home in Canada. Find a real estate agent. A trustworthy, reliable, knowledgeable real estate agent is crucial to your success. I know what you're thinking. Yes, because I am an agent, I am promoting this step in finding your ideal home within your budget. I have learned through much experience just how important having a real estate agent is. The real estate agent is the person you will be most connected to. They will listen carefully to your needs, wants, and requirements, and is committed for the full purchase process, show you homes, drafting contracts, assist with budgeting, and facilitate all the matters needed to close the deal, ensures that your financial interests are kept at the center of the deal, helps you avoid making costly errors in buying your ideal property. Step 3 of buying a home in Canada. Finding a home, choosing and viewing. After you have decided on an agent, he will send you the listing information that meets your needs. Then you pick out the homes you want to see first, and he will arrange to view the properties with you. Generally speaking, viewing the home should be a relaxing and fun experience. The house you see, although they are all the same type to meet your needs, but they also have their own characteristics, unique features, different decorations, and different layouts. Some are magnificent, and some are fresh and simple. You don't know when you will be wowed. Find the home you want. The length of the viewing process also varies from person to person. It's like a blind date. Some love at first sight. Some people will watch more than a dozen, even dozens of unsatisfactory ones. That's why some people say, home and people are also related. It needs to be a good fit for a happy, long relationship. Step 4 of buying a home in Canada. Bidding, negotiation, and contract. After you set your sights on a home, your agent will draw up a purchase contract for you. Included in the contract are details such as names of the buyer, seller, and the address of the property, purchase price, possession date, the deposit, and what is included in the purchase of the property, whether electrical appliances and furniture are included, and any other conditions. The two most common conditions are final mortgage approval and home inspections. Having the agent attend to these important details helps ensure your economic interests are considered. In other words, even if a contract is signed, the transaction can only be concluded if these conditions are met. What happens after the seller receives your offer? The seller has time to review the details and agree or come back with a counteroffer. After negotiations are settled between both parties, then the contract will come into force. What you need to do at this time is Step 5. Step 5 of buying a home in Canada. Pay a deposit and apply for a formal mortgage loan. Find a lawyer and home inspector. After the contract takes effect, you need to follow the dates stipulated in the contract. Pay the deposit through the lawyer, and at the contract price, apply for a formal mortgage loan at a lending institution. You will also need to find a local real estate attorney where the property is located. Your real estate lawyer will prepare the legal documents for home purchase. You will also need to find a home inspector. You can find lawyers and home inspectors by yourself, or consult your real estate agent. Here are a few things to note. First, try to avoid job changes before your home loan approval. Second, your down payment is in your bank account. Deposit for at least 90 days. Third, the home inspection date is best arranged after your mortgage loan is approved. During the inspection process, it is recommended that you and your realtor participate in the whole process together. This way you will have a comprehensive and in-depth understanding of the property you are going to buy. Step 6 of buying a home in Canada. Remove the conditions ready for transfer. If there is no problem with the home inspection and your mortgage, and there are no other conditions in the contract, at this point you can remove the conditions. Closed deal, ready to transfer. At this time you need to do the following work. Contact an insurance company to buy home insurance. Generally speaking, if you have car insurance, contact the same insurance company as the car insurance. Usually have a good discount. Contact water, electricity, gas, telephone and internet companies. Arrange to open the service on the possession day. Another point, if this is your own residence, you need to contact those companies or institutions that may send you letters, such as the bank, CRA, to change your mailing address, etc. Step 7 of buying a home in Canada. Transfer and possession. After you have completed the above 6 steps, you can go through the formalities of transfer and possession through a lawyer. At this time, the lender will transfer your loan to your attorney's trust account. You also need to transfer the down payment to the lawyer. After the lawyer has processed all the legal documents, if there is no problem, the money will be transferred to the seller. The seller will notify your realtor to turn over the keys after receiving the payment. Once you get the keys, you're ready to move. Congratulations! These are the 7 steps to buying a house in Canada. Let's review together. The 7 steps to buying a home in Canada are: 1. Apply for mortgage pre-approval. 2. Find a real estate agent. 3. Finding, choosing, and viewing the house. 4. Bidding, negotiation, and signing. 5. Pay the deposit. Apply for a mortgage loan. Find a lawyer and find a home inspector. 6. Remove the conditions. Prepare for the transfer. 7. Transfer and possession. These are the 7 steps to buying a house in Canada. If you like this video, please subscribe, then forward. My name is Min Xie, real estate agent in Edmonton. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.